Now then, let us start with the practice exercise for the second part of Topic 2. In this part, we study the use of characters and strings. So our practice exercise, namely Project 4, is also about characters and strings. Let us consider the first problem. The first problem here is to create a program that reads in a string of characters and display only the English lowercase characters in the string. Take a look at an example execution of the program. Let us name this program abcprint.rb. Suppose you execute Ruby abcprint.rb, then you will get a response asking you for a string. So you type something in. For example, you may type like this. Then this program would display only the lowercase letters ICAC on the screen out of this input string. This is what this program does. Here is the program outline. This is the same as what we examined in the lecture. Currently, this is designed to show the entire string of characters. So our actual required task is to modify this program so that it outputs only lowercase letters. Let us see this current program closely. Since we explained it in detail in the lecture, let me record it briefly. First, this is the part for getting an input string, which is stored in the array SS. Here, we compute the length of the input string and store it in the variable length. Then, by this command, each character of the string in the array SS is translated to the corresponding number or their code in ASCII, and those numbers are stored in the array AA. Then, each character of the string is shown on the string by this for loop. Here, this part is executed by changing the value of the variable I from 0 to length -1. In this example, for each value of the variable I, this line is executed. That is, the ith character of the string in SS is displayed on the screen. Therefore, by this for loop, all characters of the input string are shown on the screen from the left to right. So the question here is how to execute this command only when the ith character, that is SS of I, is a lowercase English letter. Here is a hint. In the case of the ASCII, in its encoding, a number is given each of the lowercase letters from A to Z. Specifically, the number 97 is given to the character A, and numbers are also assigned to the rest of the characters in order up to 122. So using this point, let us modify this program to display just the lowercase letters. So let's give some thought.